was a big loss in our family to lose my two brothers. And I don't think my mother, she never ever got over it. Well, these are my two brothers and my mother. This is Bill, my younger brother, and this is Arthur, my oldest brother. Some friends came by to get them to work on the levee, and they gladly went down to help. And while they were down there, the levee broke.
And then all of a sudden, we heard the roar of the water to the back of us and to the north, and we felt something was wrong. We didn't know what it was because we never been in a break before.
Art said, "I don't believe I can make it," or "I don't think I can make it."
That was Bill. Bill was just in back of us, and Art was ahead of me, and I was about in the middle. And Bill said, "Walt, I can't quite make it." And I said, "Bill, you've got to go. We've got to make this tree." And it was just something that, with the weight of the hip boots, he was just too far away from that tree to get there. And of course, right then, Bill was drowned. And when Art and I made the tree, we decided that we had to get rid of all the rain gear that we possibly could to be lighter, because we knew we probably had to do some swimming, and we felt that this tree wasn't going to stay up. And we waited, and I think about the tree stayed up about 5 minutes, and then all of a sudden it just went down without any warning. And of course, Arthur could not swim, and I believe Arthur was drowned there on the spot. And then I was swept away to the next row of trees, or the third row, and I believe that was my closest call. I felt that I was going down, and in fact I was gagging. I was more or less going down, and I might add this, Lloyd, that you don't fear death, because I felt, well, this is it. I wanted to live for my two children and my wife, Jean. And I wanted to live in the worst way. But I felt I was going to die, and if I died, I was going to see my mother. And I think I would have seen her, because it was just that I was, that one split second there, I was just about going down, but I put my hand up, and there was a limb that held.